In this video, we are going to learn how to export data in a CSV format. Okay, whenever you did some changes or you create some data set or you create a values or something important data and you want to export in a CSV format. So how we can do manually go to file, then save, then we are searching out where is the comma separated file. So then we can save. So if you save this code with the just like 2 to 3 lines of a micros code, that will easy to your task and that will perform whenever you want it. So first thing, go to in a developer tab and visual basics, or you can use a shortcut as alt 11 for a developer tab and go to visual basics. Then there will be the window open as this one. So what is the name of my file is export CSV. So let's check where is that file is. So in our that project section, there are all whichever the all worksheets are open, that will show, because now I have like in this workbook maybe more than a 20 sheets. So let's find out where is the export CSV the 25, and I want to, here you can go to insert first and then module, and here in the module this is the code editor, there you can write your code. So I want to view my code. It was a 25. Let's check here. So yeah, you can see here in the module there will be the code, and you can see the code was if you want to save, because this is a worksheet. Okay, so dimension is for ws as a worksheet. You are giving something a variable for 2ws as a worksheet. Now you are setting out for the this worksheet. Okay, this workbook, not a worksheet. You are working in this workbook, then in this worksheets. Okay, so there are worksheets, and which sheet you are working, because this is the export CSV. You can copy this code and you just change it if you want to change there. Only some of the code you don't need to change anything, as your the condition is same. You just need to change the name, the path, and the range where you want to, from A to A6, B to B6. You can see now here is my range is A1 to like B up to B. So that is here, and I use here my path, wherever you want to save your CSV file. Okay, that is, you can mention it as a path. So everything as a simple dimensional data range as a range. We are providing something a range. So that's why we are given as a range. Then set a range as which range up to the last row. Okay, for B, from B I want up to the last row. Now again exporting CSV file to up. Now we can, now we define the range. Now we can see what are the steps you can follow this. Now after that we mention the path for that, then export data to CSV file. To for CSV file, now we are like fetching that data from there, and we are saving that in the value that arrays into this CSV format, comma separated. That's why here you can see the, this is for CSV data, this is for our indexing that array we are providing as a comma. And then you can save this code, and after that go to, after you save you can run from here as well, or else you can save it as a name as export to CSV, and after you run this code you can go and check where is this file. Now you can see after that exported file is here. Okay, so this is my, that I saved from this file. Okay, so this is all about how to export the data in a CSV format using a macros, or you can do it with the manual is also, but this is easy. And whenever you save this code, you just within a one click you can export your data in a CSV. I already told in other video how you can export data in a PDF format. If you have multiple sheets at a time, single time. You can export that also within one click. Okay, so just prefer the macros code that you will avoid your repetitive tasks.